What is HACCP? HACCP is a hazard analysis and critical control point. It's a management system in which food safety is addressed through the analysis and control of chemical, physical, and biological hazard, ranging from raw material production, procurement, processes, manufacturing, distribution, and the consumption of the food, having a safe food throughout your supply chain. Now, biological, physical, and chemical hazards can be prevented, reduced, or eliminated throughout the system. In addition to the management of hazards, record keeping and documentation are key point or a key tool in this processing or in this system. Now, how did HACCP originated, or where was it conceived? How did it start? Actually, HACCP was originated in 1960, where NASA, National Aeronautic and Space Administration, with the Pillsbury Company, decided to design and manufacture safe food to the space expedition. And later in 1993, Codex Committee on Food Hygiene recognized HACCP as the global standard for food safety and published their first HACCP guidelines, which would be later adopted by the Codex Alimentarius Commission, which is the joint body of the Food Agriculture Organization, FAO, and the World Health Organization, WHO. And this is how HACCP started, and it continues to stay a key tool in all the standards that came later on, and it's still being adopted worldwide. Now, the HACCP system can be used at all the stages in the food chain, from food production and preparation processes, including packaging, distribution. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, require mandatory HACCP programs for specifically juice and meat as an effective approach to food safety and protecting public health. Now, what are the 7 principles of HACCP? I'm sure you know most of them, but let's go over them one more time. So HACCP principles are 7. The first thing that you should start with is conducting a hazard analysis on your line. By conducting a hazard analysis, you will go to principle number 2, which is identifying the critical control point. Now you have identified your critical control points, you should set your critical limit, which is principle number 3. And then you have to monitor your CCP. After monitoring your CCP goes principle number 5, which is establishing your corrective action. And most importantly, principle 6 and 7 is the verification and record keeping. These are the 7 principles of HACCP that are a mandatory tool for any company that is willing to apply a standard, and it will be basis to ensure a safe product from the production to the consumer.